Janma mrityu jara vyadi dukkha doshano darshanam. Bhagavad Gita. This is the chakra, samsara chakra, going around. When you hear sadhu vakya, sadhu vani, mahantavani, bodh shakti, siddhi prapti. So if prashna is there, then comes deeper. Like a small kshatriya, he shoots arrow from some distance. It comes and just glazes. It's called glazing the surface. Just goes, oh, what is this? You know? But a Maharati, like Arjun, he pulls Gandivaraj. Arjun, when he lets go, the arrow goes through Bhishma, you and 10 more soldiers. Because power and Maharati. Maharati means he can fight with 10,000 elephants. Doesn't mean only elephant. It means warrior on top. Elephant's just not running around. He's a fighter. Kshatriya doesn't go fight elephants. He goes fight tiger and porcupine, tiger, boar. These are a deer. These things they hunt. But Nahati no. So this means in war. So one man can fight with 10,000. Jai Shri Radhe. This is the power of Maharati. So if you meet some small sadhu, then coming some prabhav, Torah prabhav. But if you meet a bigger sadhu, then more power, then more prabhav. It comes through you and then through someone else and through someone else. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He's touring in Dakshin Bharat. Dakshin Bharat, Yatra. Oh, everywhere he went. Here, there, everywhere. And so he was chanting Krishna, 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 Krishna. He was in Mahabhav, Radharani Mahabhav. Chaitanya Charitamrita is telling, if someone saw Lord Chaitanya, if someone heard Lord Chaitanya, they got prem. If someone saw Lord Chaitanya, just darshan, sadhu darshan, of course Bhagavan, they don't know Bhagavan. They know very tall, very beautiful, very attractive, like Kamadev, personified, Sakshat Manmata Gaur, direct manifestation of Cupid, Kandarpa Sakshat. But they thought, oh, some Bengali sadhu, a very large golden figure. They just saw it from long distance. They got prem. And then the devotees or the people, the bystanders, the observers, South Indian people, who saw or heard Lord Chaitanya, they went to their village. Then anyone who saw them or heard from them, they also got prem. Like a parampara. It's like dominoes. Domino. You hit one and they're all stacked up. Like there's many cars in the freeway. Very close, bumper to bumper. They say bumper to bumper. And one car, by accident, hits a brake. And boom, 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 boom. Right? So many cars. Boom, 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 boom. I've seen many times in America. Even in America. What to speak of India. 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 like this. So this is the kata. That the kata with a powerful sadhu, it will go to you. And then you'll go meet someone else and tell them. And then they'll tell someone, and it goes like this. Yeah, this is the power. Purity is the force. And of course, many things.